Fed Chair Jay Powell at the NABE meeting will say that the recovery has progressed more quickly than expected, but say that the U.S. has a strong but incomplete recovery and says there's a risk that the rapid pace of recovery will slow, noting that the data has already shown signs of slowing from the rapid pace from May and June. All of that leads to what looks to be one of his main points in this speech, that there's a need for further support, and specifically he seems to be suggesting a need for further fiscal support, noting that the Fed has done quite a bit, but the recovery will be stronger, he says, if monetary and fiscal policy work together. And interesting point he makes, I've not heard him make this point before, that there's more risk from doing too little than doing too much to the U.S. economy. And his concern, echoed, by the way, by comments made yesterday by Charlie Evans from Chicago, made the same point, that the slowing pace could trigger recessionary dynamics on its own, where weakness feeds upon weakness. Specific areas of the economy that he pointed out, he said business investment is on a renewed upward path. That's a good sign. And financial markets have returned to what he calls normal functioning. But he says that when you take all the different factors about the unemployment rate that are out there, the decline in the participation rate, some of the misclassification in there, he says the more realistic unemployment rate to look at is closer to 11%, not the official number of 7.9%. And he notes that the downturn has hurt low-income or low-wage workers, minorities, and women the hardest. Overall, Powell saying that the outlook is highly uncertain and depends on the course of the virus and the public health response.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.